What me I do? I would that. Answer what that you drink so early. What that yo. How you feel, so? Long time I ride one little bike, you know. Yeah, we are gonna St. Mary now, yeah. Early morning journey right now. It's currently 19 minutes past 8, as you can see. We are gonna go Highgate here now. What is this, sir? Anyways, fall back when we're there, a different side. Alright, now we're not too long past through Panda Square, which is in Panda, St. Mary, yeah? So now we're basically the St. Mary. And for those who remember the 5 guys who died in 23, this is where most of them come from. This is where Jamie did come from. Jamie buried somewhere down there, so. Long time I not come down here, so still since them boy funeral I not come around here, so I think a year or so up here, so Taj them bury, well up here, so Taj them did live. Taj and Menchi bury up there, so I have to take them corner here, so you know wide and come in. Whoa! Oh, bad road. So bush with there now. You deep bush. Outside and come in. This is no, yo, me even did call him, you know. Bomba. Me even did call him to blow. Me usually fall that way when I go to Soji. Down here, so then used to practice for stunt. Oh. Eh? Watcha, rotted. Me only break inside that clutch. So we're in one deep rural part of. Watcha, me keep on a press them a cut road go up there, so you know say people actually live down here, sir. Like you can't see the house them, but this look like somebody a cut road for go up here, so see road there go up. All you can see is trees, bamboo, mainly bamboo, and big trees. Yeah, up there's a level off here. Somebody a cut road go up there, sir. People are gonna build their house up there, so me personally, no sir. Me personally, not gonna live so far, brother. Like in a couple of years time, development are gonna take place, you know, and people are gonna start moving on them thing there, and probably the road them are fix up on them thing there. You can see them road are from them build, they've never been maintained. Yeah, watch it. Deep put them road there only for bike. Never yet drive on them road there yet. Bike alone. The other road where they Luna, that road they even worse than this, because that road there is like a track. This now this little bit better, you can skip here, so skip this around there, so everything a rugu. And it's amazing how all you can see is trees and people, yet still people live at them place here. Forgot how they call around here, so, you know. Around here have a Flatfield, yeah. Flatfield, I think them call around here. Flatfield St. Mary. Mainly bike man, I go see around them side there, cause people usually take bike taxi and them thing, they come them side there. Yeah. Woo! See one van there? Me tell you, no people actually live them places, you know. I don't know how they do it, but me nah do it. And a beer leaf. Right, that what this. I first me ever see that road that's so busy, like I first me ever pass 2 vehicles on that road there. Usually I come around here and say I pass 1 vehicle, I pass enough. And the place is cool. Oh my god. Hilltop with up on the now, oh my god. past Flatfield Square and take the right on the bridge for those who know that area. Sorry, me never get for record when we da go through the square. Watch it. Oh, pretty. Yeah. So I'm going to show you the next road we could have take to come this side, because there are many routes. But we choose the one that's closest to where we're coming from, of course. Even though it don't have the best road, because we could have go on the next road. We could have drive Junction side, which have the better road. Probably if we did drive Junction side, we would have reached a good distance already, because it's a better road, you know. Now if you slow down and a dodge. But yeah. Ooh, for those who know my videos from longer time, them that know say me take that road there for come a Soji. You see me? Soji is one of the best bike mechanics them around this side. Soji live at Rock River I think, yeah. Hey, bim. Machina boss. Machina slam. Right next to the river. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, got the right time backyard. Riverbed the right in them backyard. Rural areas, you know. Reach out to Richmond and I go see better road. No. Yeah. Also we are gonna get like a better road. When we reach on the road for go Richmond. One thing with them people here, them have a nice riverbed and everything. You swimming and watch it. Oh God, down there pretty or fret. Down there pretty. Pretty afraid, watch it. Flatfield to Clark Castle. Eh? Yeah, long time bridge, yeah man. Yes, father. People at them place are just go river and bathe. It's sweetest thing, man. Oh God. Sweetest thing for go river and bathe. Oh yeah, this is Clark Castle, 7-day church. A long time I go river and bathe. Oh wait, no, I'm lying. Wee. Like a cop car. Woo. Wow. Coconut. Hey. One thing the government no business about that road there, no. The government didn't even know so them places exist, bro. Alright, I think we are near. And near is powder come out. No, we're not near to reach it. Then road they have a dirt bike. Yeah man, dirt bike with the angle them road they are good, cause dirt bike have clearance. Yeah. Like a cop cow. not reach the part where would have come out if we did take up a border, Lena. I go through Seaton and them place there. Remember one time me and Chaz make one video. Yeah, I go down there already, man. Drive, go down there and wash car and them thing there. One time me and the boy Chaz did come from Soju, we make one video right there, so. Yo, memories, brother. God damn. Nice piece of river, you know. Maybe when we come back we stop. If we go here, so. Should I go down there still? But we don't have time for waste right now. Oh yo, road a broke way and all these things. Over here. Yeah. To Clark Hill, Flatfield, Lawrence, Tavan, Border. And then this now car we got Richmond. So if we did go that way there, if we did go right, would have come out, would have go past Rock River, Soji live on that side there. And we would have come out, would have actually see the one next way what we could have taken from a different direction. But that road is way worse than that road there we take. So now we're on a main road right now. That road there I go carry with to Richmond. You there? Richmond, Highgate, Kendall. Which fan name Kendall again? I don't even know. What river down there? So, oh gosh, man. Oh my god. I finally hit third gear to blow out. Right, it's only back brake. Me keep on hold this. Me keep on hold. I second time I did it. Hold this. I think say front clutch. Right. Hard road. So we approach Richmond prison. Yeah, my dad. We outside. Fully. This is Richmond prison. Richmond prison. Everybody there. Oh, them a cook a piece of soup. Yeah, the dog them a cook a piece of soup. Oh man. Them is cooking a piece of soup. For Coolie plant. So this prison is a farming prison. Yeah. So all of the inmates them farm. That's pretty small prison, you know. And the river they right there, so. Hey, all them supposed to call, you know, man. Oh my god. St. Mary Technical. Up that way there. So this is what square name again, man, I remember. Those who know the area can make me know. I wonder where I must slow down for. Full True Tabernacle New Testament Church, whatever. Richmond. I respond with I respond with Darrell. I try Richmond? Yeah, that lane where they come out from. Yeah. Think around so. Richmond. Yeah, I mean even remember to be like that. I think Richmond. Richmond St. Mary. If you do want to go back on the main road, just go back so follow straight. There's spot Highgate there again. I think Highgate will turn right. There's spot Highgate there, Zion Hill Road. There we are. So yeah. You know going on Zion Hill. Richmond Post Office. And I think the police station is around here, so. Yeah, see police station not? Yeah, police station. Richmond. Yeah. How are you up this again? Alright, so far back. Oh, what a road there. Nice pretty piece of road there. Bomba. This is the best road but I see so far. Blow. Yeah. Be a banana farm, be a banana farm now. Banana farm, St. Mary, banana farms. What time it is? 9:03. If I hear about St. Mary banana chips, yeah. This is where all the bananas come from. The bananas. Ay! What, bro? Yeah. St. Mary High School. I spy road. I saw we should have gone. I don't know where the road is. St. Mary High School. Oh, nice. So we are in Highgate. Highgate. Coolie there.